Awesome, welcome back. In this quick session, we're just going to do a quick informational talking about operational limitations and a quick note from the FAA about safety.
The operating limitations are intended, among other things, to support the pilot's ability to identify hazardous conditions and situations.
Former U.S. Transportation Secretary Anthony Fox had this to say: "Make no mistake, unmanned aircraft enthusiasts are aviators, and with that title comes a great deal of responsibility." He continued with, "Registration and certification gives us an opportunity to work with these users to operate their unmanned aircraft safely. I'm excited to welcome these new aviators into the culture of safety and responsibility that defines American innovation."